Thanks for joining us for our series of videos around our 10-step design guide to home improvement works. In this short video, we'll be discussing steps 8 and 9 of the process, which are completing your tender to achieve the best build costs and also site monitoring. The most common and costly mistakes that homeowners make with their home improvement works often fall within these final stages. It's crucial for the success of your project that you complete thorough vetting of your proposed contractors, analysing their tender documents, including cost plans and proposed schedules of works. And it's vital that when you appoint a contractor that you ask them to sign a contract. This contract protects you as the client and details payment schedules, insurances, and how to proceed if there is any dispute during the works. Often this contractual stage is overlooked, and this leads to massive problems and stresses down the line. At Aura Architecture, we can manage this process for you, all the way from issuing tender documents to contractors, analysing and negotiating the tenders, and then also site monitoring throughout the building work and administering that contract, so that you, the client, can feel more in control of your home improvement works. The penultimate step of the home improvement process is site monitoring. Now you have the builders on site, it's important to regularly check progress against the proposed schedule of works and ensure the works are being completed to the highest of standards, on time and to budget. We at Aura Architecture can again complete this progress check and provide you a short report with photos and commentary. So if you want to know more about the home improvement process, download our 10-step design guide for free, or contact us if you'd like to get started on your next project. Join us for our last video in this series, which provides an overview of all the previous steps.